Let me show you the coolest thing in the world. Boom. We can zoom in. We can highlight things, draw arrows to them. We can even type stuff right next to them, all live, all without having to do a whole lot of anything. And then we can zoom right back out. We can zoom in down here, do the same thing, and highlight this little guy right here, draw an arrow to it. New plus. This is free, and it's built into the PowerToys system utilities, I guess, or you can get it standalone. If you search Microsoft Zoomit, here is the Zoomit application. There are a ton of shortcut keys to do things like I just did, and I want you to know I've been using Zoomit for all of 5 minutes, literally, ever since watching this video by my man Scott, and figuring out that, hey, I don't need to rely on a script in OBS when I can just come in here and grab PowerToys from Windows or by Windows or for Windows and then do everything there. So you can set up, I'll show you the settings. You can set up the level of magnification when zooming in. So let me crank that up to 4 and let's see what that does. So let's zoom way in now. This is awesome. It's perfect for tutorials though, right? Oh, this is so good. So good. Go grab this. I grabbed the full PowerToys suite. So it comes with Zoomit now, and I've already got something else that I like as a part of the suite. Let me zoom in and show you right here. This color picker. Watch this. If you do Windows key, Shift, and C, you can go around anywhere and pick the color. So it automatically pastes it or copies it into your browser. Oh, look, I'm getting good. I'm pro level already. And there it is. That's the hex code of the color of that link that I clicked right here on my Windows screen. So I have an actual utility built into, or an extension built into Chrome. It is a color picker that I've been using up until now. I don't need to use this guy anymore, although this guy is good too. This is too much fun. Thank you very much, Scott. And Mark is the other guy. Mark, I believe, is the guy who built this tool. Let's see. Yeah. Mark, what is your name, Mark? There you are. Let me just highlight you and draw an arrow to you with Zoomit. Thanks, Mark. You're the man. Seriously, though, go download this. This is a sweet little addition with all these internal tools. The comments I've seen from people so far as I've searched around about Power Tools is that these are things they wish that came pre-installed with Windows. I'm scanning the list and I'm liking what I'm seeing down here. And you can see you can actually scroll down or actually move the mouse down while you're zoomed in. It's a little bit, if you don't do that smoothly, probably not a good user experience. But look, all these things come with those power tools. I'm just happy that I found this. Finally, I've looked for something like this to easily annotate while I'm doing stuff on screen. Kind of the old Sal Khan style type of deal from my early days of watching him over on Khan Academy. And I am very excited to put this into practice in my own tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching. Let me tell you about my free weekly newsletter, Got Sheet. I started this a couple of years ago to help you get good at spreadsheets, and today I focus on any tooling that will help you be more productive through automation, email marketing, design, whatever. We get into the AI weeds a little bit, a lot of it sometimes, and we still cover the basics like spreadsheets. Good old spreadsheets account for a ton of time-saving activities in my businesses. Check out the link in the description below. You can find it at gotsheet.xyz, and I hope that it's useful for you. If you're interested in more sweet stuff like this, subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. And check this video out next. Have a great one.